Good morning, everybody. It's been a little while since we've been out here. Angela Ray ran off and spent some time with the grandbaby in Virginia, and she's back now. We've got our water line done, and we do have water. I just didn't get any footage when we finished that up. It was just a quick little throw the meter in and test everything out, and everything went great as far as that's concerned. I've got this crew out here this morning working on the septic. We decided to allow them to do it as opposed to us doing it, just a little bit easier, and we'll get a little bit of footage of that today, and we'll see how it goes. Well, we had to crack a whip on Mama to get her to get this done today, but no. These gentlemen finished up. We just decided to go ahead and get some water in that septic tank. They are prone to float away if you get too much rain without any weight in them. So, I just happen to have this old raggedy hose. But we do have water now, guys. We don't have our ditches and everything filled back in. But we got our stub up here for the travel trailer right by our, or close by our water. And we got the stub up over here for the house, which we'll get to all that once we get the footer and all that. We'll run that the rest of the way in. We got the tank buried down over here. Just one more step in the progress here. See the caps on it right here. Just a little 1,000-gallon. Got the distribution box rigged up right here. Got a lot of cleanup work to do. And then the two 90-foot field lines coming off the distribution box that we've got here up the top side from the creek. So, septic, check. We're glad that's done. So, with that done, we've got family. Where you going, Mama? This weekend being the 4th of July, we've got family plans, so we're going to be away from this and kind of enjoying that. I guess maybe we could film a bunch of family drama for you.
Yeah.
But other than that, probably rent a Mini X again next weekend. We'll spend this week getting this footer and everything laid out for the house. And we'll see what we've got in store for that. And then next weekend we'll get this water line covered up when we bring the Mini X in to dig the footer and get all this knocked out. This is something we have to do before we can get electricity. We have to have our footer poured before they'll hook up electric out here, which is just asinine, but that's my opinion. So that's where we're at right now and slowly moving forward. You got anything, Mommy L?
Glad to be home.
She had quite the experience. Missed a flight due to their layovers and had to spend the night in Dallas, and that's a whole nother story. But
I should have filmed that for you guys.
yeah, there you go. You're missing out. You
There's
always
lots
miss
of
out on the
drama
drama, guys. Yeah, you're always missing out on the drama. I said I was going to try my best to start including y'all in that, but One more step. One more peg in the wheel. All right, guys. We'll see y'all in a few days.